20 minutes of boxing every day can completely transform your body and mind. The moment you start throwing punches, your heart rate rises, your muscles wake up, and your focus sharpens. Boxing is not just about fighting. It is one of the most powerful full-body workouts you can do in a short amount of time. When you box for 20 minutes, your entire body stays active. Your arms, shoulders, chest, core, legs, and back work together with every punch and movement. This burns a high number of calories and helps reduce body fat faster than many traditional exercises. At the same time, boxing improves muscle tone and strength without making your body stiff or bulky. Daily boxing also improves cardiovascular health. Your heart becomes stronger, your blood circulation improves, and your stamina increases. After a few weeks, you will notice that everyday activities feel easier and your breathing becomes more controlled. One of the biggest benefits of boxing is mental strength. Boxing releases stress and tension stored in your body. Each punch helps clear your mind and reduce anxiety. It improves focus, discipline, and confidence, which carries over into daily life. Boxing also improves coordination, balance, and reflexes. Your brain and body learn to work together faster. This makes you more agile and responsive, not only in workouts, but in real-life movements as well. Doing boxing every day for 20 minutes builds consistency. It is short enough to stay committed, but intense enough to deliver real results. With proper form and gradual progress, boxing can be safe, effective, and sustainable for long-term fitness. 20 minutes a day is all it takes to build a stronger body, sharper mind, and unstoppable energy through boxing.